In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up my Google Photos on iPhone. This process is essential for keeping your memories safe and easily accessible. Let's dive into the first step. Start by downloading and opening the Google Photos app on your iPhone. To do this, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Google Photos and hit search. Once you find the app, tap on the download button. After installation, locate the app on your home screen and tap to open it. Seeing the Google Photos interface for the first time is exciting. You will notice it has a clean layout that makes navigation easy. This app will help you organize and back up your photos seamlessly. Next, sign in with your Google account. If you already have a Google account, simply enter your email address and password. If you do not have one, you will need to create a new account. Signing in with your Google account is crucial. It ensures that your photos are stored securely in the cloud, making them accessible from any device. Once logged in, you will be greeted by your photo library, ready for backup. Now tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents your account. Tapping it reveals various options related to your Google Photos settings. This step is important because it takes you directly to the settings where you can customize your backup preferences. You will feel more in control of your photo management as you navigate through these settings. Next, tap on Turn on Backup. If you've already set up the app previously, you may need to navigate to Google Photos settings and then select Backup. Enabling backup is a key action in this process. It ensures that every new photo you take is automatically uploaded to your Google Photos account, safeguarding your precious memories without any extra effort. Now turn on Backup. This switch will usually be a toggle you can easily flip. Once it's turned on, your photos will begin to back up. This is a reassuring step as it confirms that your settings are active and your photos will be uploaded promptly to the cloud. After that, choose your preferred upload quality. You will see options like Storage Saver, which uses less Google storage, and Original Quality, which keeps your photos in full resolution. Selecting the right quality matters because it impacts how much space your backups will use. If you have limited storage, opting for Storage Saver might be the best choice. Optional, now choose whether to back up using mobile data or Wi-Fi only. If you select Wi-Fi only, backups will only occur when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. This option is beneficial because it can help you avoid unexpected data charges, especially if you have a limited data plan. Finally, wait for your photos and videos to upload. You can tap your profile picture to view the backup progress. This will show you the status of your uploads. Watching the progress ensures you know everything is being backed up correctly, giving you peace of mind. Note that Google Photos backups count toward your Google account storage, which is shared with Gmail and Google Drive. To check the backup status of any photo, open it in the Google Photos app, tap More, then About or Info. This final step provides reassurance that your photos are safe and accessible whenever you need them. By following these steps, you can easily back up your Google Photos on your iPhone. Enjoy having your memories safely stored in the cloud.